Good morning, 7th grade students. So once again, we're missing class, which is a little unfortunate since the trimester is almost over. So once again, we need to move forward into the next project. We will be finishing up Torn Paper Face when we get back. But this project is always an absolute favorite among your classmates, among 7th grade. So you're going to love it. I do want to tell you, I got to show you, after you left yesterday, I did complete my marshmallow challenge, and it is 27 inches tall. So your guys' was 24. Now, granted, I've seen this done several times, and I took longer than 18 minutes, but just want to share that with you. So, wild style graffiti names. Okay, so look at the examples here. These are ones that these are currently juniors now, did when they were in 7th grade. But there's certain characteristics of graffiti that we are going to incorporate into writing our names. So you are going to write your own name in graffiti lettering. Okay, so here is wild style, the definition. Basically, it just has lots of arrows and interconnecting letters. Okay, notice also that all of the letters are touching one another. That's very important because we're going to be writing these out on tag board, and then spraying them and cutting them out. And it needs to all be connected so that when you cut it out, it's not just these individual letters we have to piece together, but it's one solid piece of art, one graffiti name. Okay, so if you look up examples of graffiti, you're going to see this. It always is tight and smushed together. Okay, so here's my last name, Adrian. You see how some things are overlapping others. That's how you can smush things together rather than just butting them up next to each other. You actually have ones that are over top of each other. So you have the A, you see how the D is over top of the A, the R is over top of that, but then the R is also over top of the I, which kind of sneaks in over the A, which is under the I, and they got the N behind the A. So they're kind of back and forth. That's interlocking. And you have like the I, becomes the arrow on the bottom that goes under the R, over the R, under the D, over the A, under the A, in background makes that arrow. So there's different things like that that you can do to tie everything together, to incorporate some arrows, to make it unique and interesting. Okay, so all the letters connect to each other, like I mentioned. You can see a few more examples here. Here's some more. We could have fun with colors. It's going to be a lesson in color also when we get around to that. Thicker, think thick. All right, so that's the big mistake that people usually make is they draw their letters pretty thin. But the thicker you can go with the letters, the better. All right, so here's some more examples here. Let you kind of take a look at those. They got the arrows interconnecting. Some interesting ones like putting the arrow here in the opening of the O. So this is kind of our process here. But what I want you to do here today is come up with maybe 2-3 different sketches that are your name in graffiti letters. So go ahead and look up examples of wild style graffiti or just graffiti letters in general. Try it a few different ways. Think thick, like I said. Connect all your letters. Use some arrows maybe, and just have fun with it so that when we come back to class on Friday, you're ready with your graffiti sketch. I can look at it and we can get going on the tag board. Oh, and also in the meantime, upload it to Seesaw, and then I can have a look at them before I get back to class as well. All right, message me on Schoology if you have any questions today, and have fun.